This is my breakfast. Early, not even early. This is after. It's almost lunchtime. So this would be my lunch. And this is salt mackerel and sweet potatoes. Let me tell you, man, the salt. We are by Munchi house now. Come. Munchi? Come. Me not take you. Go take your mommy. More and more, you still a call me mommy. Dog, move. The dog not do nothing.
Go on. Kill him.
Hey, Twinkle, Amy, Twinkle, Jesus God, Twinkle, you can't do that. Jesus, merciful Father. He not try to catch you either.
Amy. You wash me a while ago.
That's why I like coming on Miss Carmen, you know, because you have the place to run up and down. Twinkle and the dog. This little puppy, I say, so almost dead. No, the little puppy. Me in a corner one day, come in here, look like him almost dead. I am? Twinkle. Leave him. What I said? Twinkle, look at me. Look at me. Leave the puppy alone. Alright, go on in the house. Go on in the house. Them call you. Go on, Bap call you. Go on. Bap call you. Go on in the house.
See Bap here.
Twinkle. Me be afraid when Twinkle come out here, so cause I pay a bush. You mean can't get your dog? The dog not play with the Twinkle. Alright, go on in the house now. Go on inside. Go on inside, baby girl. Twinkle. Say thank you. Baby.
Come, left it out. Left it.
She just ignorant sometimes, you know, when you give her things and just say it takes so long to give her. Come. You ready for it? Alright, thanks man. Come, go on inside. Grandma gone in. See grandma gone inside. Go inside with grandma. Grandfather gonna leave now. Take your time. Alright. So I'm coming from Manig, going to Golden Grove, and I stop by all the time. I stop by and buy something from this wonderful spot. Man, as you can see right here, this is the natural wood fire. A logwood this, right?
Yes.
Logwood. And people, we have sweet potato, we have yam, and this is white yam. And what kind of meat you have there? Yellow yam, right?
Yellow yam.
Yeah.
Sweet potato, breadfruit.
And breadfruit. Ackee and saltfish. Salt mackerel. And okra and salt mackerel. Trust me, this gentleman over here, he just buy a plate, him and his family, and him and say enjoying it. The meat, the fish kind is not salt. Cause you know normally you stop at some place that sell this, the saltfish is salt. People can't eat it because people have pressure. And I just buy me a plate with cook up mackerel and a piece of sweet potato. Look at it and tell me what you think. This is my breakfast. Early, not even early. This is after. It's almost lunchtime, so this would be my lunch. And this is salt mackerel and sweet potatoes. Let me tell you, man, the salt mackerel is not too salt. Oh, good gosh. It's not too salt, but it's spicy. And you have a lot of onion, sweet potato, pepper is in it, tomato. Look at it. You know someone that fine right now wishing I could get one plate of that. Yes man, I like it, man. You know? And thank you, Missy, you're not too salt at all. Everybody says sweet potato good for me, so here is it. So I'm gonna drop off Amy and Twinkle them first. I'll come buy this. I know they're gonna want dip in it. So I'm alone I use it right now.